That's a really good question.
I love this question.
Excellent question, Juma. Yeah.
Fascinating question, man.
Yeah, that's a good question.
I love that question.
Well, it's a wonderful question.
That's a really great question.
Oh man, that's a great question. I feel like legitimately great question. No one has asked me that.
Oh, that's a great question.
Oh gosh, yeah, you caught me off guard with that one.
That's a good point. A good question.
Great questions.
You know, I love all the phenomenal questions that you're asking.
I'm glad you asked that question.
It's a good question. It's a good question.
It's a really good question.
That's a good one. That's a good question.
Yeah, that's a good question.
That's a great question and a great point.
I love this question. You're hitting hard with the question.
That's a great question.
That's a great question.
Great. I love that question.
Yeah, great question.
That's another really good question. You're asking the hard questions here.
Yeah, great question. By the way, you're really good at this, man. It's a great podcast.
Okay, thanks. I appreciate it.
You know what you're doing.
That was excellent, man. You're a very, very good host, man. Yeah, man. Very, very good questions. So smooth with everything. I mean, it was great. And just even at the end, like when you're like coming in for landing, like, I don't know, little stuff like that, that matters. I think you're doing a fantastic job.
Thanks. I appreciate that, Rich, so much.